What's going on, beautiful people? D-Lo Brands back for another video. Welcome back to the channel. And today we are actually using the new Gemini 3 Pro agent inside of our coding project. So vibe coding with Gemini 3 Pro. And I'm going to be honest, this is a game changer already. And if you guys see right here, what it's been doing is basically creating the images, adding them into my directory, and placing them on my website. So the reason why this is significant is because beforehand, the LLMs would tell me to upload the files into my directory, then get the path, and then give them the path. And that is just such a friction filled process. And now it's creating patterns on its own, it's embedding those patterns. I told it to basically reimagine the whole entire website. So I'm going to bring up um, what the website looks like right now. So this this is the website right now. Okay, right here. So this is the website right now. We built this with AI. I believe we mostly use Codex to build this. So this is the version that it has reimagined itself into, and it's created a responsive site. The background image is perfect for the company that we're working on. The buttons are reactive. It's created such a better polished website. And I think that the more and more that we use Gemini 3 Pro, we'll be able to see just how smart it actually is. And the fact that it's able to say, you know, I have the brand guidelines, I have what this company is about, I have the purpose, I have the user that will be using this website. This is how I'm going to create it. I think is very, very powerful. And for it to, I did encounter some errors in using it. So if we go back to anti-gravity, and we're going to do a separate video on anti-gravity, but anti-gravity is Google's new IDE. Before it was Firebase Studio, but now they have this IDE, which is much better. Using Firebase Studio anywhere except on the web was a hassle. So I did encounter some errors like agent execution terminated due to model provider overload. I'm guessing that either we overloaded the model and it couldn't proceed further because it got confused, which is unlikely, or just the usage of this model right now is just so high that the provider is getting overloaded. So this right now, anti-gravity is free to use. It has very, very generous limits, so you can use it. I've been using it on high, fast, everything included. And also it has this button up here that says open browser preview, so you can quickly open the browser that is connected to your anti-gravity. If I go to manage extensions, well, it's not here for some reason, but basically you got the anti-gravity extension that you can have on Chrome or any of your other browsers, and it can basically open itself up in there. And I'm very pleased with this. So far, Gemini 3 Pro has given me the best outputs that I have ever gotten from LLMs. I, put it up against Claude 4.5, put it up against ChatGPT 5.1, and even Gemini 2.5. So it's definitely performed very, very well. And I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys that if you are not vibe coding with Gemini 3 Pro, you can do it for free right now. They have a high version, they have a low version, but they also give you access to Claude Sonnet 4.5, thinking and non-thinking, and GPT OSS. So definitely check it out. Let me know what you guys think about it, and we're gonna do a longer video talking about anti-gravity and vibe coding practices with Gemini 3 Pro, so stay tuned for that. But uh, b- remember to join the AI Educate AI Lab community. It is completely free. We have resources. We're talking about new experiments, so many things. Make sure you join that. And I just recently saw that 99% of you guys are not subscribed. Now, a lot of you are, and I appreciate it. But if you have been enjoying the content, if you watch multiple videos, just go ahead, leave a like, subscribe, get notifications on the latest videos. But this has been D-Lo Brands, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.